Dear students, you might have seen many patterns in the nature. So, regarding some flowers, some plants, their branches and leaves of the leaf structure, all these you might have seen some pattern in it. Similarly, do we have any pattern in number system, in numbers? So, let us discuss. So, see here some examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And another pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like that. And another pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, so on. And another pattern 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, so on. Okay, now see this pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will the next number? 6, then 7, then 8, like that. And here second example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and what is the next number? 16, then 18, then 20, 22, like that. And similarly, see this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, next 24, then 27, then 30, 33, like that. And similarly, the fourth example 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that. Next number 35, 40, 45, 50, 56. So, like that we have some numbers where we can write what we can expect, we can able to say in this next number, what will be the next number. We are saying that how it is possible, how we can say, is there any pattern in it? Yes, if you add 1 to this you will get 2, and add same number 2 to 2 you will get this one, add 1 to this 4, add 1 5, next if you add 1 to this 6 plus 1 7, like that. So, similarly this 2, add 2 for this number 4 plus 2 6, again plus 2 8, add 2 10, again add 2 12, add 2 14, like that. And here 3, first number is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24, like that. And here 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35, like that. So this pattern, okay. So here if you add 5 for each number we are getting its next number, okay. Similarly if you add 3 then we are getting next number, here add 2 we are getting next number, here add 1 we are getting next number, okay. So we have some pattern in it, and the same number is adding we are getting this, okay. So this type of pattern, this type of progressions are called arithmetic progression. Why we are called this series, this progression as arithmetic progression? Because a common a constant number is adding in this series, in this progression a constant number is adding, okay. Take any two consecutive numbers, for example 3. So difference of 3 this 3 and 6 is 3, and difference of 3 and 9 6 and 9 3, difference of 9 and 12 3. So there is a common difference, there is a common difference. Similarly this one 0 5, difference is 5, 5 10, difference is 5, 15 20, difference is 5, okay. 15-20, difference is 5, 20-25, difference is 5, 25-30, difference is 5, like that there is a common difference in it. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? Justify your answer. Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? Justify your answer. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are 8 series. Among these, which are arithmetic progression that we have to pick out? So observe this series: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So a fixed number 2 is added to this 2, we are getting 4, and the same number 2 plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10. A fixed number 2 is added to proceeding to get next number. A fixed number 2 here, a fixed number 2 is added to this proceeding number to get next number. Okay. Similarly, 2 is added to get this. So proceeding of this 8 is 6. So to 6 we are adding 2 to get 8. Similarly, proceeding of 10, 8 to this proceeding number 2 is added, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So like this, a fixed number 2 is added. Okay. So it is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression because a fixed number a fixed number 2 is added to proceeding number 2 is added to get a proceeding number. Similarly, see this minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. So after minus 20, how much? Minus 30, minus 35, minus 40, minus 45, like that. So next number we can expect here. So how we can expect? Because a fixed number minus 5 is added to this one to get minus 10, and again minus 5, a fixed number added to this one to get minus 15. A fixed number minus 5 is added to get this number. So a fixed number minus 5 is added to the proceeding number to get next number. Therefore, it is also arithmetic progression. It is arithmetic progression because a fixed number minus 5 is added to preceding number in the series, proceeding number to get next number. Similarly, see this third series: 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, then what next? Minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, like we can expect what will be the next number. So how we can expect? Because a fixed number minus 5 is added to this 5 to get 0, and a fixed number minus 5 is added to this 0 to get minus 5, and a fixed number minus 5 is added to this minus 5 to get minus 10, and a fixed number minus 5 is added to this minus 10 to get minus 15. So like that. So it is also AP. It is AB because a fixed number minus 5 is added to get added to preceding number to get next number. A fixed number is added, a fixed number minus 5 is added to proceeding number to get next number. So, that is why it is a arithmetic progression. Now, see here 4, 8, 10, 13, 15, 20. So, what is the difference between these two? 4, difference between 2, difference between 3, difference between 3, difference between this 5. So, there is no common difference. So, a fixed number is not added to this, 4 is added to get this one, and again add plus 2 to this, and plus 3 we get this one, and add plus 3 we get this one, add plus 5 we get this one. So, a fixed number is not there to get its next number. A fixed number is not added to the preceding number to get next number. So, it is not a AP. It is not AP, because a fixed number is not added. A fixed number is not added to preceding to get next number. Okay. Similarly, see this fifth series. In this fifth series, 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. So, what is the difference between these two? 5. Difference between these two, 5. Difference between these two, 5. Difference between these two, 5. So, a fixed number is there. So, a fixed number 5 is added to get this one, again plus 5, 14, plus 5, 19, plus 5, 24. A fixed number 5 is added to get this next number. A fixed number added to the preceding number to get next number. So, here it is also arithmetic progression, because a fixed number five is added to preceding number to get next number. A fixed number is added to preceding number to get next number. Now, see this 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. So, difference between these two is 3, and difference is 3, difference is 3, difference is 3. A fixed difference is there between any two consecutive numbers. So, add 3 to this 10, add 3 again to this 13, add 3, 9, 16, add 3, 19. Or a fixed number 3 is added to get next number, a fixed number added to preceding number to get next number. So, it is also AP. It is AP, arithmetic progression, because a fixed number 3 is added to preceding number to get next number. Okay. Now, see this 10, 13, 20, 30, 33. So, difference between these two is 3. and the between these two is 7, between these two is 10, between these two is 3. So there is no fixed difference between any two consecutive. So there is no fixed number is added to get next number. There is no fixed number is added to preceding number to get next number. So it is not in AP. It is not AP. This is not arithmetic progression, because a fixed number is not added, a fixed number is not added to get to preceding number to get next number, Now see this 15, 5, minus 5, minus 15, minus 25. So what is the difference between these two is okay, 10, between these two is again 10, between these two differences again 10, between these two is again 10. So what 10? Minus 10. So minus 10 is added to this 15 to get 5, and minus 10 is added to this 5 to get minus 5, and minus 5 into minus 5 to this minus 5, minus 10 is added to get minus 15, again to this number minus 10 is added to get minus 25. So a fixed number minus 10 is added to get next number. A fixed number minus 10 is added to preceding number to get next number. So therefore it is arithmetic progression, because a fixed number minus 10 is added to preceding number to get next number.